This is the unboxing of the Toyan model engine FS-S100GA gasoline version. Read instructions before operating. Got a bit of weight to it. So we've got the instructions here. And we'll go through them, but first things first, let's have a look. I haven't even opened this yet. I'm excited. Oh. Huh? It's assembled already. I think they sent me the wrong one. Fan blades, whatevers, some screws. Oh no! They've sent me the assembled version. Oh, this is meant to be a kit. I was planning on building this on the YouTube channel. Oh, what do you do though, guys? Who cares? Man, this thing looks sweet. So heavy for a little thing too. Oh my gosh. Wow. That just looks so good. This is going to be awesome, guys, on the hot rod. I don't know if you can see the piston moving up and down in there. Focus on you. Wow. This is unbelievable. Oh well. I guess we'll go from an assembly video to a first start video. I mean, there's still bits to put on. You know, you got the starter that we have to mount and connect the bolt on. I mean, that's a huge build. Righto. So, well, that throws that out the window. I don't care though. I'm so excited that I have this thing. Oh my god. The chassis is nowhere near ready for this. I'm currently working on the chassis as we speak. As the DHL driver turned up, I was actually out the back welding up some stuff on the frame. So, wow. Okay. Who cares? This is here now. That means it puts the pressure on me to get the frame built. Alright, stay tuned guys, we'll have more coming up. Alrighty, so seeing as it doesn't have much assembly, I thought let's put two and two together and work out how this goes. So looks like the bolt goes over there, starter has to mount up onto there. Looks like they've given me a washer, a spacer there, so we'll chuck, okay, gonna put it in the hole first, so let's chuck him in there, put that there, and let's up. Beautiful. So that is the starter mounted. Awesome. Alrighty, so it's now time to do the fan blades. So we grab our right size Allen key. Blades out of the bag there. No, they're only plastic blades, which is more than enough, I'd say. But let's go around and back off all these Allen keys. phone. You should probably put a bit of red Loctite on them, just to make sure that they don't go flying anywhere that they shouldn't. I'm just building this because I'm so excited. So I'm on my desk. I haven't even taken it out of the house yet, but I'll take this outside and I'll go over these again with some red Loctite, just to, as I said, make sure they don't go anywhere. But guys, I'll tell you what, I'm so excited for this. Okay, and that is the fan assembly done. Okay guys, so what it looks like is the book does say if you've got the pre-assembled version, you do have to put some grease on the cam and the cam followers. A lot of the videos I see online, no one seems to run the cam in. I don't know if you really have to with something like this, but with a normal regular car motor, I've always been told you have to run the cam in. So on your first start, you start it, run it, and quickly get it up to speed. But oh look, they've greased it up for me anyway. I don't know what the grease is going to do there though. We probably want it a bit in there. The little valves, they look great. It's just so true to scale, this thing. The cams come with the exhaust ports opening. Bang, intake, bang, exhaust, bang, intake, there it is. So, very smooth motor too. What I'm going to do, they do give you a bit of grease. I want to put a little bit more on the actual cam, on the lobes. Nice thick grease they give you, and I'm not going to be shy. I want to get lobes well covered, well lubed up. Okay, give that a few turns by hand, make sure I can see the grease. Yeah, see it. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but the cam's greased up pretty well. Yeah, let's not be shy, let's put a bit more on. Put that down. Put a bit in there. I'd rather have too much lube than not enough. There we go. Yeah, that's worked its way in. Beautiful. Alrighty. So let's get the rocker cover back on. Gasket on there. Anything like a real car, I'd be leaking oil out of that in a few turns. Let's go on there. We're on. Yep, we're on there. Do these up evenly. Oh, I've got the wrong size. Of course I've used it to put grease on. Let me just like that. Wondering why the bolt's not going in. Helps if you use the right size Allen key, John. Okay, that seems good. Okay, on to the next step. Alrighty, so let's put this little spark plug in. This thing is absolutely tiny. Switch my light on. As you can see how small that is. It uses a standard glow plug X wrench. Got a little copper gasket as well there. So I'm going to start it by hand. There we go. Over-tightened. So we can plug in starter motor. I mean, it's just colour, nothing special. They send them out with these beams float, and I've seen all the videos that show that they send them out with this float. And what do I buy? The wrong adapter. But let me say, don't follow this around. If I put this in like that, fits in just enough that I can hold it, and we can crank it. So, starter motor works. Got compression. Yeah. Printer. But now I have to look up how the CDI box works. I don't have instructions on that, and there's a whole heap of stuff that I don't know what it does. So I'm going to go off and have a look at how this all hooks up, and then we'll be back shortly where there's another step, or maybe with a starter. I'll be back. Oh, this is how the exhaust fits on. You screw it in. I plan on working out what thread that is, so I can custom make an exhaust. I don't like that. But works for now. Alright.